Assalamu alaikum, my dear Falconians. I am your teacher, Miss Maha Rehan, and today our topic is the human body parts. Before studying the human body parts, let me first tell you the different five sense organs. The first one is eyes. Eyes enable us to see the things around us. The second one is ear. With the help of ears, we are able to listen different type of sounds. Then the third one is nose. Nose enables us to smell different things, either it's a good smell or a bad one. And the fourth one is tongue. With the help of tongue, we can taste different foods. And the last one is skin. Skin enables us to feel the hotness, coldness, or sharpness of any object. So, now, one by one, we are going to discuss each and every organ in detail. The first one in front of us is the skin. Skin is the human body's largest organ. No other part of your body takes up so much space. Skin does so many different jobs. The first one is skin holds everything else inside our body. It also protects the other parts of our body from different type of diseases. The skin makes sure your body is kept at the right temperature, and the skin also provides you with your sense of touch. Now, let me share with you a sample diagram of the layers of skin. There are overall 3 layers of skin. The upper one is epidermis, and the middle one is dermis, and the last one is subcutaneous tissue. Now, moving on towards the second topic, which is second organ, which is eyes. Eyes are the part of our body that enables us to see the world around us. Light rays falls on an object and bounce back. These rays then enter our eye and fall on the retina to form an image of that object. It is our brain that turns the image the right way around. Eyes are also protected by eyelids and eyelashes. Now, let me share with you the diagram of eye. This is a simple diagram, as you can see, with complete labeling. Lens, pupil, cornea, iris, retina, sclera, optic nerve, these are all the parts of human eye. Then moving on towards the third organ, which is ears. Ears are the parts of our body that take in sounds and enable us to hear the world around us. They also help us to balance. There are also 3 smallest bones in the human ear, and these are hammer, the second one is anvil, and the third one is stirrup. There are also 3 major parts and sections of human ear. As you can see, the outer one is outer ear, the middle one is middle ear, and then the last one is inner ear. Now moving on towards the fourth organ, which is nose. The nose allow us to smell pleasant smells, and it has many different functions. It helps us to breathe. It also allows us to smell the world around us. And the third function of the nose is it allows us to taste what we are eating. You might think only the tongue does that, but much of the pleasant sensation we get from eating tasty food comes from its smell, and smell is directly related with nose. It is also the gateway to the respiratory system, as the nose is responsible for our breathing purpose also. This is a simple diagram of nose. As you can see, we have 2 nostrils in our nose. Then moving on towards the last organ, which is tongue. The tongue helps us to chew food. And when we have finished doing this, it helps us to swallow the food. It also has taste buds on its surface that let us taste the different flavors of food. Of course, it also helps us to talk, so we can tell people that how tasty the food was. When the food is in our mouth, it touches our taste buds and a message is sent to our brain. Then the brain lets us know that what the food tastes like. Either it's a good food or it's a bad one. Now let me show you a simple diagram of tongue. As you can see that the tongue can differ between different kind of taste. It's a bitter one, sour, salty, sweet. Now, these are overall 5 different body organs in detail. After this, You know that our body contains overall 206 bones. What are bones, or what is the definition of bones? Bones provide support for our body and help to form our shape. Although the bones are very light, the bones are strong enough to support our entire body weight. Bones also protect the body organs, and the skull is the most important bone because it protects our brain. This is a human skeletal system, and it contains different type of bones. The most important bones are on your screen. You can learn the name of these bones also. Now moving on towards the last heading, which is of joints. What are joints? Joints are the point where the two bones meet. They make the skeleton flexible. Without the joints, our skeleton will not be able to move because the movement would be impossible. Joints allow our bodies to move in many different ways. Now let me show you a simple diagram of hind joint. As you can see that in the middle there is the joint, and on the sides there is the bone. So the joint is the part where the two other bones meet. I hope you all get my point. Inshallah, we will meet very soon. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day, students.